Imagine waking up to find your entire business model outdated overnight, not because you did anything wrong, but because the world changed while you were busy working. That's what's happening right now with AI and digital marketing. Hey, I'm Fran AI, the digital avatar of Fran Barbero, founder of onlinemaketer.ai. Every script here is researched and written by Fran himself, with over 10 years of experience building audiences to over 1 million followers, running e-com and info brands, and helping service businesses grow. I'm here to deliver it clearly and fast so you can actually use it. Today, we're kicking off a brand new video series, How to Design a Digital Marketing Strategy for Your Business to Grow in the AI Era. You'll learn why most businesses are overwhelmed, what's actually working now, and how to build a strategy that doesn't get wiped out by the next big shift. But there's one mistake nearly every entrepreneur makes when starting their digital strategy, and it's not what you think. And before we dive in, if you want the exact tools, copy-paste prompts, and full training I use to run this channel and my business, join my free Smart AI Business Hub. It's our private community for entrepreneurs and business owners, packed with tested tools, practical tutorials, and a network of service and info business owners growing in the AI era. Links in the description. Let's be real. Most business owners today are drowning in digital marketing advice. One day it's post on TikTok, the next it's learn SEO, then it's run Facebook ads, and now AI is everywhere. It's overwhelming, right? You're not alone. The truth is, the digital marketing world has exploded with tools, platforms, and must-do tactics. But more options don't mean more results. In fact, most businesses are stuck because they're trying to do everything and end up doing nothing well. Here's the reality. The old way of picking a few channels and hoping for the best doesn't work anymore. AI is changing the game, but it's also making the game more complex. If you don't have a clear strategy, you'll waste time, money, and energy chasing shiny objects. I've seen this firsthand. When I started out, I built Instagram pages to over 1 million followers, launched e-com brands, and thought, if I just get more traffic, I'll win. But when Instagram changed the rules, my business crashed overnight. I lost $12,000 on a website I couldn't sell from and realized you don't own your followers and you can't rely on one channel. That's when I started learning real marketing, how to build systems that work no matter what platform is hot. But here's the twist. AI isn't just another tool, it's the new foundation. And if you get this right, you can leapfrog competitors who are still stuck in the old way. So, what's really different about marketing in the AI era? It's not just about using chatbots or writing blog posts with AI. The real shift is that AI is changing how people find, trust, and buy from businesses. Search engines are now powered by AI. Social platforms use AI to decide who sees your content. Even your customers are using AI to research before they ever talk to you. The new rules are simple. If you're not building your strategy around how AI shapes attention, you're invisible. The businesses that win are the ones who adapt fast, automate the right things, and focus on what actually drives results. For example, SEO isn't just about Google anymore. People search on YouTube, TikTok, even inside AI tools. Social media isn't just about posting, it's about building authority and community. Paid ads aren't just about spending more, they're about targeting smarter, using AI to find your best customers. And the biggest winners? They're the ones who automate follow-up, nurture leads, and never let opportunities slip through the cracks. But here's what most people miss. AI can multiply your results, but only if you have the right foundation. Otherwise, it just multiplies your chaos. Here's the good news. Most businesses are still stuck in the old way. They're overwhelmed, scattered, and slow to adapt. That means if you're watching this, you have a massive advantage. The AI era is a reset button. It's a chance to leap ahead, even if you're starting from scratch. The opportunity is to build a digital marketing strategy that's simple, scalable, and future-proof. One that uses AI to do the heavy lifting, but is rooted in real business fundamentals. Over this series, I'll show you how to map your customer journey, pick the right channels, automate your follow-up, and use AI to grow without burning out or getting lost in tool chaos. You'll see how to build a system that works for you, not the other way around. But before you start building, there's one mistake almost everyone makes that sabotages their results from day one, and it's not about tools, tactics, or even AI. I'll reveal it in the next video. And don't forget, if you want the exact tools, prompts, and full training I use, join my free Smart AI Business Hub. It's our private community for entrepreneurs and business owners, packed with tested tools, practical tutorials, and a network of people growing in the AI era. Links in the description. So, here's the big takeaway. The rules of digital marketing have changed. AI isn't just a tool, it's the new foundation. Most businesses are overwhelmed because they're chasing tactics, not building strategy. But if you get this right, you can leap ahead, no matter your size or experience. Here's what to do next. Subscribe and hit the like and hype buttons if you got value from this video. It helps more entrepreneurs find this training and helps our channel grow. Join the free Smart AI Business Hub, link in the description. You'll get tools, prompts, and the full training series, plus access to our free masterclass for business owners who want to use AI to grow. And most importantly, don't miss the next video in this series, because there's one mistake nearly every entrepreneur makes when starting their digital strategy, and it's not what you think. I'll reveal it in the next video. Click the next video that's popping up on screen right now to keep learning and shortcut your growth in the AI era.